know how to use the videos 107 datos from ATOMO Network in your class? Hi, I'm Yama from YAMA Spanish Language Solutions, and this is YAMA Culture. And this is how I use the videos 107 datos from ATOMO Network in my class. Okay? So, first of all, I only use these videos with my advanced classes. Okay? What do they have to do? First, they have to watch the video. They have to watch the video, and then they have to write, answer the following. What is the name of the series in today's video? Then write the fact and in what time it appears in the video for the following number. So what they have to do is, it's a countdown. It goes from 107 to number 1. And what they're going to do is, for fact 107, they're going to write down 107. Then they're going to write down what the facts, the fact that they mentioned, and then they're going to write down in what moment in the video it actually comes out. If it's in 30 seconds in, or if it's a minute 40, or in 2 minutes, or whatever it is, they have to write it down. And it's for the following number: for 107, 96, 85, 74, 63, 52, 41, 30, 29, 18, 7, and 1. Okay? And then, in which of the AP themes does it fall in? Okay? They have to do that, and they have to tell us, well, they have to write down why. Okay? Why do you think it falls into that specific AP theme? Now, after that, what they're going to put on paper is going to be this. And what they're going to hand in is going to be this. They're going to write a formal greeting toward you, or to you. They're going to write in 2 paragraphs the facts and the time they appear. Okay? So why 2 paragraphs? Well, 5 sentences usually consist or make up a paragraph. Here you have 12 sentences that they're going to write down. So 12, that's basically 2 paragraphs, okay? 6 and 6. Now, also they're going to explain in what AP theme they feel it goes into, okay? In the 4 AP or 5 AP, they have different themes. They have to figure out which of them, and explain it, obviously, elaborate as much as possible. Then they're going to write a formal farewell to you, and then at the end, they can hand in that paper physically to you, or via Seesaw. They can send it via Seesaw. They can take a picture of that paper, or they can, depending on what you want, they can just orally just read it, make a video of it, or just you can just have an audio of it. It's your call. Now, what do I? Here's the why. First of all, what do I consider advanced levels? Well, that's going to be the 4 AP Language and Culture, 5 AP Language and Literature, and Spanish speakers. Okay. Now, the why? Well, the why is, first, the students get to hear another voice in Spanish. That's not mine. All right. That's very important. Second, there's a lot of different terminology that they're going to use. They're going to hear names of series, how they're mentioned in Spanish, and they'll be totally different to what they're used to in English. So that will give them the opportunity to actually hear it and say, oh, this is how this series is called or named in Spanish. All right, excellent. All right, now I know how to say if I'm speaking in an all Spanish conversation, I can use this name instead of having to use the English name. Exposure to different series in pop culture. There's a lot of people that might have some references, and they'll be like, well, where do these references come from? Oh, you know what? They actually come from these series that they didn't really know about. Especially in Spanish, there might be a specific phrase in Spanish. You're like, where did this come from? Oh, it came from this series. Okay, I get it now. Anyway, so also, still in the why. Well, it's a varied series. It's from anime to just cartoons, to classic cartoons, to other types of cartoons, of action, it's 80s cartoons. It's just very, very themed. Also, it's always educational. Why? Because they're going to be learning. They're going to be learning stuff that they didn't know about the specific series, or they'll be learning words that they've never heard of, or how they relate to somebody. Okay, or some people in these, how they relate to other series, all that kind of stuff. Also, it's going to be a very good numbers review. All right. Believe it or not, sometimes they still have problems with the hundreds, but it'll be a good review for them to hear all the numbers from 107 all the way to number 1. And the last part is it's very, very entertaining. You can be while you're getting this class ready, or a video ready, and you're going through them, and you want to see which one it is. They're very entertaining. While you're doing stuff around the house, you just click on it, and again, you'll learn a lot of stuff, and it's pretty like I said, it's pretty entertaining. I like it personally. And now the last part, I'm going to show you the channel. So this is the channel. This is what it looks like. As you can see, you have Space Ghost. Again, you have Laszlo. You have all these options. You got Naruto. You got Darkwing, Spider-Man, Laboratorio Dexter, Dexter's Laboratory, or Laboratory. They have all these options that you can actually, and it's good for them to just once in a while to see something different. It's not going to be 100% academic. They even have Gumball. They have, you choose obviously, I don't want to mention those, but here we go. It's whatever you think you would want them to see, and it's obviously your choice. Okay. Anyway, so this is here we go. Anyway, this is how I use the videos 107 datos from ATOMO Network in my class. YAMA from YAMA with the Spanish Language Solutions, and this is YAMA Culture. And before we go, I want to get some shout outs. Okay. Well, I just want to give a shout out to all the teachers that are still quarantined in their houses and doing the best they can. And everybody else that is now becoming a teacher, aka parents that are homeschooling. So, if you have any comments, please leave them below. Any questions about how I use this in the class, or more specific, please ask me. Suggestions, I love suggestions so I can make more videos. Share if you think this is shareable. If you know that somebody could use it, subscribe, like, again, if you liked it. Go to my YouTube channel, it's probably what you're watching right now. If you need any classes online for Spanish or English, or if you need any translations for subtitles from Spanish to English or English to Spanish, contact me, okay? Now about the online, I think after a week or two of being quarantined, I think we're all becoming experts on online teaching, or at least online meetings. So, also the invitation is for you guys to join my Facebook group called Blur Teachers. And we're 1.5K strong now, and it's international. Anyway, so I'll see you when I see you.